Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1987 Buick Grand National. Killer car, guys. I actually bought this car locally from a guy, Todd, on the west side of the state. Wicked cool cars. I love these cars. This is the 180s car that really, they're fast. I mean, they're just fun. Matter of fact, somebody posted one time on our social media, these cars look fast sitting still, and they do, man. These things are awesome. Great car, factory black on with that two-tone interior. This car 2 years ago had a stripped down to bare metal, and I do have a photo of it. $15,000 paint job done to it, and it is slick. T-top car. It's got the Grand National wheels on it. It's got Mickey Thompson ET Streets on it. It's got an E85 upgrade. Just a wicked cool car, man. Fun to drive. 65,000 original miles. It's got a clean Carfax. You can tell they replaced the filler pieces as well. You can see how nice that is. I think he said he replaced the grille as well. But gorgeous car, man. Beautiful paint. Like I say, painted 2 years ago, 15 grand to do the paint. They went through, it's got all brand new seals and weather strip in the T-tops, so they don't rattle or creak. Little split there in your speaker cover. That's about all I mean, there's a few little things you can nitpick, but very nice car, guys. Rear defog. Tons of upgrades. I've got all the paperwork. It's all bolt-on stuff. Like I say, E85 upgrade. It's got different exhaust on it. Upgraded the turbo. It's got upgraded injectors for the E85. Laser straight down the sides. Mickey Thompson ET Streets on the rear. Killer car. That's all stainless. GN1 3-inch. GN1 Performance 3-inch stainless dual exhaust. It's got electric dump on it. Slick. I mean, you can see the traffic driving down the road in this thing. Again, these are 3.8 liter turbocharged engine. It's got the precision turbo. I've got all the paperwork for this stuff too. It's got a precision turbo upgrade. It's got a 3-inch downpipe, a cold air intake. Again, it's got turbo tweak injectors, power steering, power brakes, air. Uh, 200 R4 automatic trans. Again, the car's never been cracked up or in an accident. It's got a clean Carfax. 200, I think I said a 200 R4 automatic overdrive trans with an upgraded converter. What a paint. Slick. Got the build sheet for this car too, which is pretty cool. All the original door tags are still in there. The original tag in the trunk is in there. It's got tinted glass. I believe this is all your original paint. It's still got your original rubber door seals. Again, your original door tags are still intact. Power windows, power locks, remote mirror. It's got power seat. The little switch is broke. There's a new one actually in the trunk for it, but it still works. The little switch just broke off. Bucket seats, console, tilt column, cruise. It's got the pillar pod gauges. All brand new ABS headliner. 65,422. Actually, he said he just a year ago replaced the rear main seal on this car, so it's the only Grand National you'll ever see that the rear main won't leak. Pioneer upgraded sound system. It's got Scanmaster on it. Again, 3-inch stainless steel duals. It's got the factory G80 342 posi rear end with a rear sway bar. Again, this is all original here. The T-top bags are here. Factory jack with spare. Again, here's all the paperwork. There's your picture stripped down to the bare metal. There's your build sheet. I think all the upgrades on this car that Todd did were done in 2014 through 16. There's your build sheet on that car. Again, T-top bags. Nice car. Car's nice and clean underneath. Pretty car, man. Seats are nice. Ordered the Grand National mats for it. Oh, it's got a column. If you don't like that, that's a theft device on that column. If you don't like it, it comes right off. It's pretty easy to get into these mid-80s GM columns, so it's a theft device that's on there. Go ahead, Jordan, yeah. Jordan just kicked your air on. It works, blows cold. That's a pretty car, man. These cars are just awesome. Gauges are, it's your, rev a little bit. Tack works, good oil pressure. There's your boost gauge. Again, your gauges in here all work. Yeah, it's got the, yeah, don't worry about that. It's in there. Scanmaster, again, radio works. Yep, it's all on. Yep. Ooh, it's cold. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.